Hello again. This week's dev blog, I guess you'd call it. It's a little video blog of play inventory system. So you may or may not have seen the last one. I don't know, but this is just to show you where we're at this week. So you see, we can pick up items. We can not throw them down just yet. We can place them down. If we press Q, we can throw them away. Should be behind me, so there it is. Yeah, this put down is a crafting table, which if we focus on it, we can open it up, and that allows us to then do crafting things, which does work. I just don't have all the items in the demo right now. And of course, windows are draggable and closable. This one here, if we focus, we can place down a chest, which allows us to do the same thing, put stuff in it. I've got nothing left to put in it. Okay, now these chests and inventory, chests and crafting tables are placeable items. The only other placeable item in the game right now is a torch, which I'll hopefully show you next week. Yeah, so there's our inventory window, our crafting, our character panel, our chest panel, and where is it? There it is. Nope. There it is. Our crafting panel. Sorry, I couldn't see the center of the screen right now. It's a demo in alpha, so all these windows function as expected now. So just let me pause this here, and I'll come back with some more items in the game. Okay, so we're back again, and as you see, I've thrown some items into the world. So let's just run around and pick these up. And as you see, as I pick them up, they will automatically stack themselves if they are stackable. And if the item bar is full, they'll go into the inventory. So I should be able to get everything here in. There we go. And open the inventory. And you see, we've got everything here. Now we can look what we got. We got some leather boots, a simple leather boot to keep your feet dry. Shovels. We got some iron bars. We got some iron ore. Iron pickaxe. And we got some sticks down here. If we bring them up, we'll be able to see them. The item bar doesn't have the info overlay or info window functional on it yet. Okay, yeah, so these are items, as you see. We can move them around, and I guess everyone wants to know about the crafting. So let's place down our crafting table, open a crafting window, and open our inventory. So here, let's start with something simple like a torch. Let's put a stick there, and there we go. I want to put one. So one coal and one stick in any pattern resembling a torch will generate 4 torches for us. Okay, let's see what happens when we put these in. If we focus and deploy, there we go, we've got a torch. Whee. Okay, and how do we pick it up? Oh, that's the hard part. We haven't figured that bit out yet. That's for the next update. So if you put down a chest and open the chest up, we can open our inventory. We can put a bunch of stuff in there as well. So yeah, and I believe shift click works. Yep, shift click works too, from the inventory to the next open panel. So if the inventory is open and the chest is not, and we shift click, it moves to the inventory panel. But if we open the chest and we shift click from there, it'll go to the inventory. See, so you can move things around pretty quickly and easily. And if we open the crafting window again, oops, we should be able to shift click from there. Oh no, sorry, that's because the chest panel is still open. Let's close that. No, it goes to, it doesn't shift click to the crafting panel. Maybe I'll put that in, maybe I won't. We'll see. Where did my iron ore go? There it is. And there we go. 4 torches. No, that was wrong. Anyone notice that? It said the wrong number there. We shall have to fix that. But yeah, now we've got a whole bunch of torches and we can run around placing them down wherever we want. You should be able to run and focus as well. If you double tap the focus button, I'm still going to get the timing correct on that double tap, but yeah, you can move around and place things down as well. Alright, yeah. So, as you see, it's moving along a wee bit. Let's see if we can actually craft something other than a torch, I believe. Let me see here. Open the crafting panel and so look over here. Okay, let's just jump into Unity here from the game. The game's still running. Let's have a look at the item catalog. Yeah. Look, crafting table. You need 8 those to make a crafting table. What is number 8? So number 8 would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wooden planks to make a crafting table. That's how it works basically. In here, gold pants require, well, nothing right now apparently. They're not craftable. I had to pick the one of the things that's not. So here you can see a torch. We know that works. Requires a 9 and a 10. See your sticks and coal, and it crafts a stack of 4 for every 1 that you put into each of these. So let's see, a gold tunic. Let me pause the game, or stop the game here actually. Let's make a gold tunic, make sure that it's working. And you'll see how we get this done. So gold pants, leather pants, gold tunic, there we go. So according to this, the gold tunic doesn't have a recipe, but we can see this. So we need some iron, we need some gold, we also need some leather. Oops, excuse me, hit my microphone. So we've got some gold out there. We have some leather, or leather multiple, sorry, not leather ore. I'm just checking. We have some iron multiple, iron bar multiple. Yeah, we have 10 of those. Maybe duplicate that, give us some more just in case. Okay. So, and we need gold bar, gold ore. We don't have a gold bar. What's that way over there? Yeah, sticks. Let's see, items, gold. Multiple. Oh. Huh. We have iron bars. Oh, but it's not seeing this here. That is, we don't have a gold bar. Anyway. Okay. So here we're going to make an iron tunic instead then, because we've got iron. Let's see, iron. Iron tunic right there. Alright, so the iron tunic, we need iron. And we're going to need leather, so we need to find the numbers for those in here. So leather is 6. And iron ore, no, we want iron bars. Tell me, I don't have iron bars in here. Where are they? There it is, iron bar. So iron bar is number 44. And leather is number 6. So if we go to our iron tunic, we can say we want 6. There's some leather in the middle, there and there. And we want some piece of iron there, piece of iron there, piece of iron there, piece of iron there. Let's go. Actually, put iron there, and leather just for the trim. So I've got iron and leather. Should maybe change the color of the icon, but this will work for now. So if we go into the game and collect the required ores, where are they? That's sticks, that's coal, leather. There's the leather. Okay, let's make this full screen so we can all enjoy it. There we go. So if we bring up the crafting panel, we need to actually get a crafting table. So we put our crafting table in here, put it down, open it up, and let's make our, one moment, what is this? Oh, we have an iron tunic, just so we, get rid of that. We don't have an iron tunic, so we want our leather, which was here, here, and here, and we want our iron bars, which were here, 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 and here, and that gives us an iron tunic. Yay! Look at that. So that's crafting is working. That's how it works. Very simple demo for this week. Yeah, and you also saw how the item catalog works to make items work in the scene. So now I didn't save this. It's a scriptable object, so this will actually save automatically. It should, I hope. Anyway, it takes 2 minutes. So just run over some of the stuff in here. I've already got the name of it, the ID, the item we're going to generate is 17 there in the little description to show up in the item info window. Your icon for it, so you choose your icon and it will display here, makes things a little bit easier. The world prefab single. Now this is the item that you see out here in the game world. All these items that spawn into the scene, these prefabs are the, oh, I'm gonna click, oh yeah, there it is. This, the world prefab single. Now you'll see some of them say multiple. This one says bar multiple. Okay, if we look over in the scene at the bar of the multiples, they're slightly different prefab than the singles. Okay, this allows you to show people that this is a stacked item, not just a single one. Then, what was the next one? Sorry, world prefab multiple. This is just what I described. It's easier to show you on wood plank stacks. See here, we've got a singular one. Come on, which are like this. Okay, and then we got, sorry, that's a multiple one and a singular one. So you can have 2 different prefabs in the world. Okay, then you've got your world prefab. Now, not everything has a world prefab or even a multiple. What does have a world prefab though would be a chest or any placeable item as it's known in the system. There we go, chest way down here. And you can see that is our prefab for what was placed in the game world. Okay, that's how you set those. So that's what you set in those. You got the item type. This is a type chest. This is just used in the code so that when you select when you select an item to place it or pick it up or destroy it, the code knows what to do with it or in its contents, because things happen in different ways. Then the subtype is inventory, because it's basically just an inventory for the chest. If you look at the other items, they are slot type right hand, so this says it can only go in the right hand. This is not multiple, so you can only have one or the other. So axes are in the right hand, and then shields would be in the left hand, etc. Maybe that'll change later, I don't know. Stack size is 1, so on this iron axe, so it cannot be stacked. We need to set the recipe. Crafting count, basically whatever the recipe is here, it generates 1. And maximum durability when it's of the item when it's generated, and the speed buffs that it will give the player when they are equipped with it. Obviously you could edit this. The SO item list here is just a list of item data objects which have all the data for each item. Okay, it's pretty simple, and they are part of the same namespace. So easy. Oh, I just realized you couldn't actually see that because I'm in windowed mode on OBS. So anyway, yes, if you look through the code, you'll be able to see item data here. There we go. And this is basically describing what the item catalog here will give you. Okay. Yes. Let me reset this. So let's have a look, another quick run around here and see if we can spend a couple of minutes to find any bugs or anything that's not quite working that I don't know about. So, oh yeah, we didn't look at the character window. There it is. So the character window, again, let's put it in maximize mode. Boop. I can't put these on, can't equip them. Let's find something that maybe I can equip. Don't know why I can't equip them yet. But this is a plan for next week, is to work on the character window, character panel. Okay, let's see if we can find something that works. No, none of these. Oh, there we go. We've got boots on. So as you saw there, it's red, green. You see how it's marking the slot as green. It's saying it can put that item there. So no, we can't put the boots on his head or his chest, but we can put them on his feet. And the same goes for the helmet. You know? So for some reason the axe doesn't want to play. Neither does a shovel. Maybe a sword? No. Pants? Yep, they're working. And the tunic. So yay. Obviously these aren't in the game now. There's an on character, or there will be an on character item change callback, which will allow then you to read the character window panel and equip your character's helmet, etc. Accordingly. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, that's the character window kind of working. Oh, I don't know, did the stats do change? Yes, so you notice as well. When I take things on and off, the stats change. So again, you'll be able to hook into that through the on character panel change method to or callback, sorry, to update your other scripts accordingly. What else is there? Let's see. Some things I know don't work, like I'm using a controller here to run around, you know, and I can pick up the things and put them down. Maybe. Oh, select the right. You see that I'm using the bumpers, left and right bumpers, to select different items on the item bar. I'm using the left trigger to zoom in or focus and select chest to activate it or deactivate it. Yeah, but how to get items to and from the chest without using the mouse, I'm still working on this. So you'll see the drag and drop functionality for using a mouse works, and so you know, so the half stacking does, you know, and all that stuff works as normal, but there's no way to simply do this yet. Well, I can do this, sorry, with the controller, and then to come back again. The only window I've tried to is see how this one's already yellow. I'm trying to find a way to move this selector with the mouse, while at the same time being able to move this selector with the mouse. Pick up items and drag them around, but I think I might need to change the interface. Oh, sorry, not the interface, the approach on that. Let's just say the approach. But anyway, that's week 2 of a revamp dev blog for player inventory system. This will be release 0.0.5 alpha. And yeah, let's see next week if we can get something more done. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day.